Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Acorns Early app, only way. Open the Acorns Early app and tap Setup to begin a child account. Add guardian information, link a bank or debit card, and choose the roundups or recurring investment option you prefer. Double-check beneficiary and tax settings, then confirm contributions so your child's portfolio starts growing automatically with small, consistent deposits. In this video, I will explain how to use Acorns Early app only way. Decide whether you want one-time funding, recurring deposits, or roundups from everyday purchases. For recurring contributions, pick a frequency and an amount you can sustain without stress. Roundups are ideal for gradual investing, while one-time deposits let you kickstart the account. Monitor balances and adjust contributions as goals or finances evolve to keep momentum for long-term growth. In this video, I will explain how to use Acorns Early app only way. Quick recommendation: if you're busy setting up accounts and forgetting water, grab the Oala water bottle for easy hydration on the go. It seals well and fits most cup holders. If you like this tip in the video, please subscribe and like for more helpful content, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use Acorns Early app only way. Choose an investment portfolio based on how long the child will be invested and how much risk you accept. Acorns offers multiple portfolios from conservative to aggressive. Diversification helps reduce single asset risk. Check performance now and then, and use rebalancing tools when allocations drift. Keep your investment plan simple and consistent to benefit from compounding over years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.